Let's talk about the recently launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy A05s. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with PLS LCD display, with 6.7-inch Full HD plus waterdrop notch display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 82.9% screen to body ratio, with approximately 393 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 13 megapixel wide angle camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on exclusive version of One UI. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 2.4 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Gold, plus 1.9 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB. Dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168 by 77.8 by 8.8 mm, and it weighs around 194 grams, and the color options black, silver, light green, violet colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 audio jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A05s has been expected price in Pakistan for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 54,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy A05s smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.